Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your workspace name on Slack. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you created a Slack account and over time you kind of realize that your workspace name just needs to change or you want to change it to something different. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack, then click on your workspace. Then click on your workspace name with the drop-down menu, and then click on your workspace again right over here. And now you're going to have the option to actually change your workspace name here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your workspace name on Slack. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.